Sorry about that. I think I cut that other video short. I wanted to put this so you could see what I'm doing. Like that. And you're just going to secure bolt. There. Then you're going to reattach your wiring, which is simple plug and play, like that. There's a little hook. Sometimes it's easier to hook that on before you snap the wiring back in there, but usually you can just do that. That just keeps your door from swinging out. This, it just pops back in place, and there you have it. Your door is secure and easy peasy. Only took a few minutes, like less than a minute really. And then this rack you have just folds up like so. And the super cool part about this rack, it's really lightweight. You can lift it up with one hand. I'm gonna unlock the wheel off, and then it's actually awesome because it's like a stow and go. You can totally put it in the back of your Jeep, so if you want to go to an event and take your doors off, you can essentially take your doors off from anywhere. So yeah, there you go. Easy way to take your off-road mirrors off and put your doors on and off. Thanks for watching.